We'll guide you through how to export only one object in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Blender users need to export 3D objects for use in other software, games, or projects, but are unsure how to do it correctly. First, click Blender to open it on your computer and wait for the application to start. Once it is fully loaded, press Shift and A on your keyboard to open the Add menu. Then add another object by going to the Mesh section and choosing a shape from the list. After that, choose which object you want to export by clicking on it in the workspace so it becomes selected. Once you select it, go to the File section on the top of the screen. Press on it to open the drop-down menu. Look for the Export section within that menu. Tap on it to extend more options and view different file formats available. Here, you can pick any kind of type of file you want to export, and for this example we will use the OBJ format. After selecting the format, choose which folder you want to save the file in on your computer. Then give a name to the file so you can easily recognize it later. Next, look for the right side menu that appears after selecting the export option. In that menu, check the Selection Only box to make sure only the chosen object will be exported. After confirming the settings, save it right away by clicking the Export button. To check it, import the saved file back into the project using the same file type you selected earlier. This will allow you to confirm that the export process worked correctly. Make sure the object appears as expected without missing parts or errors. If something looks incorrect, repeat the steps and adjust the settings before exporting again. Practicing these steps will help you become more confident when exporting objects in Blender for different uses, such as sharing or using in other projects. Take your time during each step to avoid mistakes and ensure accurate results. You can also experiment with different export formats to understand their uses and compatibility. With regular practice, you will improve your workflow and efficiency, making it easier to manage and export multiple objects for various creative and professional tasks in Blender.